The initial working title was Wealth Supplements, which is nice, but I had an issue with that name with somebody else. And so I had to find another book, another title. And I love this idea of like a one word kind of name. So some of the big authors, which I like Susan Cain, she wrote the book Fired. Um, and all those kinds of really one word, they're very outstanding. So I wanted something that was one word. So I'm thinking about finances and thinking that the first thing you think about finance is your income, right? What you earn, because it's the most important thing. If you don't earn anything, you don't do anything, you just sit there and rot, right? So income. So then I marry that with the word outcome. So what you do with your income greatly influences your financial outcome. What inspired me to write this book? I was talking uh, to a friend, let me see, a long, long time ago, during my MBA days. Friend and I, Wendy, went for a course by Sylvia's Fish Books about writing fiction. And I wanted to write, and we all went out to one of the homes was to go out for a couple of hours and observe people and write and come back and share that story. So while I was sharing that story, I could see the faces of my friends or the group and also Raman, which is the person that was hosting the session. They were like in horror. They're like, oh, I don't think that's good. No, no, you're getting it all wrong. No, you're not writing it well. So I thought, wow, since I can't write fiction, maybe I should try not to share it. Uh, so then I came into this field and in a chance conversation with a friend. She wanted to write a book. I wanted to say, why don't we just write the book? Write our book. And then after I finished writing it, I met a woman who was once a Christian pastor that became a Buddhist nun, and then now she lives a very interesting life. She was just saying, pick up that damn book and publish it. You know, success, they always say, is a intersection of preparedness and opportunity. So I prepared the book, and then
Mhm.
not sure what to do with the book. And then somebody came and just said, there is an opportunity. Go hunt for it. In Malaysia, there's about 70 to 80,000 doctors.
Wow,
People like
70.
me, financial planner, only 1,005. There are not enough of us to go around. So should you hire a financial planner? Maybe not enough to go around. You probably can't even find one. I mean, you can, you just Google. But there are a lot more financial consultants out there that are very well trained that can actually take you through these money matters as well. I mean, my team, we have that. Not all of us are financial planners. Some of us are financial consultants because it takes a really long time to be a financial planner. Years of study, and then you have to be a securities commission. Have to like make sure that you're all okay, and it's hard. So there are financial consultants. There's a lot more of them out there, and then they can take you through to planning your finances. If you engage someone who knows more about money than you, and who's gone through so many clients, been there, seen that, and all that, they are able to help you more than yourself. Then the other question I ask is, why do you work? What you're already so busy at work. Do you want to DIY? I mean, if you're not so busy at work, please DIY. And some of us, like myself, love so much DIYing that I became a financial planner, right?
Mhm.
That's kind of career. Join our team. Um, some of us really like interested, then yes, please, of course, DIY. But some of us find it really hard. We're very stretched. We're very tired. Then engage a financial consultant or a financial planner to help you out. Why is it so important? That accountability, someone to ask you, hey, have you started emergency money? Have you started saving regularly? Have you reviewed what your portfolio is doing? And the other good thing is it's really personalized. It's you and nobody else. You might hear other people's stories, but it's custom to you.